Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be learning how to transfer Excel data to Google Sheets automatically at your desired frequency. This method is perfect for anyone who wants to automate their workflow, saving time and effort. So without further delay, let's get started. So here's what we're going to cover today. To automate the transfer of your Excel data to Google Sheets, you'll need four main components. 1. A Python script. 2. A Google Service Account JSON key. 3. Your Excel file with the data you want to transfer. 4. The Google Sheet where the data will be imported. First, make sure to keep your Excel file, Python script, and JSON key file in the same folder. This makes it easier for the Python code to access everything without any issues. Next, open your Python code and update it with your specific file names. You'll need to specify 1. The name of your Excel file, including the .xlsx extension. 2. The name of the Google Sheet where your data will be transferred. 3. Name of your Google Service Account JSON key file. Make sure everything is spelled correctly and double-check the paths. Now, if you don't already have a Google Sheet created, go ahead and create one. Give it a suitable name. This is the name you'll be using in the Python code. Remember to share the Google Sheet with your service account email address so it can access and update the data. Now let's walk you through setting up a Google Cloud Service account and enabling the Google Drive and Google Sheets APIs. This is a crucial step if you're planning to automate your workflows using Google Apps Script or any external Python libraries. First, open your browser and head over to console.cloud.google.com. If you haven't already, sign in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a project selector in the top navigation bar. We need to create a new project, so click on it and choose New Project. Give your project a name that makes sense for your task, something like Google Sheets API Project. After that, click the Create button. Now that our project is created, let's enable the necessary APIs. On the left-hand menu, click on APIs and Services and then click on Library. Search for the Google Drive API and Google Sheets API one by one. Make sure to enable both of them. Next, we need to create a service account that will allow our scripts to interact with the Google Sheets API. Go back to the APIs and Services section and click on Credentials. Here, click on Create Credentials and select Service Account from the drop-down options. Give your service account a name. Something simple like Test Service Account works just fine. You can also add an optional service account ID and description. Once you're done, click Create and Continue. Your service account is now created. But we're not done yet. Click on the email associated with your service account to access more settings. Next, go to the Keys menu. Here, we're going to create a new key in JSON format, which your scripts will use to authenticate. Click Add Key, then select Create New Key and choose JSON as the key type. After you click Create, a JSON key file will be downloaded to your computer. Keep this file safe. It's your key to accessing the Google Sheets API from your scripts. Once everything is set up, all you need to do is run the Python script. It will automatically transfer the data from your Excel file to the Google Sheet at the required frequency that you can set up in the code. This way, you can schedule updates as per your need. And that's it. You've now automated the process of transferring your Excel data to Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.